This AI hack feels super illegal to know. It's like you're getting Canva, ChatGPT, Google Docs, and Midjourney all in one place. Simply go to blaze.ai and paste your website URL. Let's use Zara for this. That's it. Blaze AI is now analyzing the website and training itself on Zara's brand voice. It can now create all the marketing assets you need. From Google and Facebook ads to newsletters and social media posts, you can create weeks of content in no time. See these Google ad ideas, Facebook ad ideas, Instagram captions, LinkedIn posts, and video scripts. Everything is done while you sit back and relax. Scary but useful website you won't believe exists. If you go to this website styler.ai, you can simply upload a rough hand drawing and easily convert it into stunning looking logos. Let's upload a rough doodle of a shark. By playing with the style settings, you can generate endless logo variations in seconds. Now AI can do all your repetitive tasks for you. This one is called User. Just name your scenario and add your description. Now perform and add all the steps like clicking something, logging in, typing something, or basically anything that can be done using your mouse and keyboard. Now sit back and see your AI agent in action. You can have multiple such agents working endlessly. Now you can become your own graphic designer. This tool is called Pixelate, an all-in-one drag-and-drop editor with crazy design features. Want to remove image background? Boom, done. Want to print your design on products? Done. You get endless AI features to play with your designs. You can create high-quality product mockups within seconds like this image inside an iPhone. You don't have to pay every month like other softwares, only pay once. And website that gives you unfair advantage in business. This one is called WP Autoblog. All you have to do is enter your keywords and this tool will start posting content on your website automatically. You can choose from over 35 languages and select the frequency of your content posting. Simply select the website you connected with the tool and turn on internal linking. This tool instantly gets to work publishing high-quality content on your website blog. It also helps you select high-traffic keywords based on your niche. I'm seeing great results on very new websites without doing anything. Strange but powerful website you'll not believe exist. This one is called bookai.chat. It's like you have ChatGPT inside your books. You can add books to your library for completely free and then chat with them for free as well. It's just like using a simple chatbot, super powerful for complex nonfiction readers.